Prayer. O beloved of God, most amiable child Mary, O that like thee, who didst present thyself in the temple, and at once and wholly didst consecrate thyself the glory and love of thy God, I might offer to thee today the first years of my life, and dedicate myself entirely to thy service, O my most holy and sweet Lady. But it is now too late, for unhappily I have lost so many years in serving the world and my caprices, as it were entirely forgetful of thee and of God. Alas for the time in which I did not love thee! But it is better to commence late than at all. Behold, O Mary, today I present myself to thee, and offer myself entirely to thy service, for the longer or shorter time that remains for me to live on the earth, and with thee I renounce all creatures, and dedicate myself entirely to the love of my Creator. I consecrate to thee then, O Queen, my mind, that I may always think of the love that thou dost merit, my tongue to praise thee, and my heart to love thee. Accept, O most holy Virgin, the offering which the most miserable sinner presents to thee. Accept it, I pray thee, for the sake of that consolation which filled thy heart, when in the temple thou gavest thyself to God. And if late I begin to serve thee, it is right that I should make good the time lost by redoubling my devotion and my love. Aid my weakness, O Mother of Mercy, with thy powerful intercession, and obtain for me perseverance and strength to be faithful to thee until death, that always serving thee in this life, I may come to praise thee eternally in paradise.